Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. Yesterday, I walked to school. Yesterday, I walked to school. She cooks dinner every evening. She cooks dinner every evening. Last night, she cooked dinner. Last night, she cooked dinner. I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning. This morning, I drank coffee. This morning, I drank coffee. He plays football on weekends. He plays football on weekends. Last weekend, he played football. Last weekend, he played football. I clean my room every Saturday. I clean my room every Saturday. Last Saturday, I cleaned my room. Last Saturday, I cleaned my room. She reads a book before bed. She reads a book before bed. Last night, she read a book. Last night, she read a book. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. Yesterday evening, I watched TV. Yesterday evening, I watched TV. We visit our grandparents every month. We visit our grandparents every month. Last month, we visited our grandparents. Last month, we visited our grandparents. I study English every day. I study English every day. Yesterday, I studied English. Yesterday, I studied English. They go to the park every Sunday. They go to the park every Sunday. Last Sunday, they went to the park. Last Sunday, they went to the park.